You will never get rich in 2025 unless you understand this. Since 2020, the prices of gas and food has increased by 30% and salary only increased by like 90%. So by default, you're actually making less now than you are making years ago. It is no surprise why paying bills and saving money has become harder now. And I believe in 2025, if you don't have a solid side hustle, things are going to become harder. But don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 side hustles that you can start right now that is going to help you beat inflation and make at least $1,000 in a month. First side hustle I'm going to be talking about is Google Maps. Like, a lot of people do not know this, but you can actually make money with Google Maps. So here is exactly how this works. So let's say you search for something like chiropractor on Google Maps. You see a list of local business, right? But what most people don't understand is that each of those listings represents a huge opportunity. So service businesses like chiropractors, plumbers, electricians, they are always looking for new customers. So, and they will pay you a commission for you to help them find customers. So how exactly does this work? So basically, we are going to take for example, say my name is Aderonke. So as Aderonke, I make $100 a day just by creating Google Maps listings that connect customers to local businesses. I don't necessarily need to be a chiropractor. All I have to do is be a middleman, and I'm going to start making commission just because I'm connecting businesses with their target audience. This is exactly how this works. So let's say I created a ghost listing of businesses that don't have a physical location. When somebody calls the number listed, I will forward it directly to the business. So the best part is every time a customer books an appointment, I'm going to be paid a referral anywhere from $0 to $30. So it is my number that is going to be on the Google map. I'm the one that is going to link the person looking for maybe a chiropractor or a plumber online to the person that is a chiropractor that does not have a physical location, and the chiropractor is going to be the one to pay me commission for bringing them customers. So all you have to do on Google Map is create ghost listings and then connect buyers to sellers. You are going to be a middleman. So here's a step-by-step guide. So you are going to go to Google Map and you are going to click add a missing place. You are going to choose a service-based businesses like chiropractor, dentist, a plumber. Just make sure that it is service-based. Then you are going to fill out the business information and claim the listing. So you are going to reach out to local businesses and you are going to offer them leads. They will pay you for each customer calls. Every time a customer calls, oh, the person is like, oh, it's from this listing, we have to pay this person a particular commission, and that is how you're going to earn money. Like, this is basically done on Google Maps. The second one that I'm going to be talking about, I already made a video about this, is AI Shopify store. So you're going to set up an AI powered Shopify store. I already made a video about how to create this store, so if you've not seen it, go and check it out. So the third one that I'm going to be talking about is seamless pattern creation. Seamless pattern creation. So if you want to create something simple that's going to be making you money every day, this is what you should do. So these are like repeatable designs that you can use that you see on everything from wallpapers to phone cases to fabrics and more. So thanks to AI, these are really easy to generate. All you are going to do is use ChatGPT, generate like a seamless pattern. For example, create a seamless pattern for baby clothes, create a seamless pattern for a phone case. All you have to do is resize it to like you are going to resize it to a 400 times 400 pixels. You are going to use the Fonto app. This app is on iOS and Google Play Store. You are going to upload it to Pattern Ninja to turn it into a seamless pattern, and that is it. All you have to do is go on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr and you sell it. I know a designer that actually sells seamless pattern for $15 and the person continues to make money every minute. So the fourth side also that I'm going to be talking about is focus group testing. And how this works is companies are always looking for people to test their products. So companies will always pay you to give them feedback and pay for your honest opinions. You are going to sign up on platforms like respondent.io and you are going to choose paid research studies that match your profile, and then you participate in video chats or surveys and get paid anytime. These are like few side hustles that you can start in 2025 that is going to make you at least $1,000 in a month. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and always come back for more, because I'm going to have lots and lots of side hustles for you.